As an Android user, you may have experienced your device's battery draining quickly or its performance slowing down over time. This can be frustrating and can make it difficult for you to use your device to its full potential. The good news is that there are several steps you can take to optimize your Android's battery life and performance. In this guide, we will cover a variety of tips and tricks that you can use to improve your device's battery life and performance. From managing your apps and settings to using third-party apps, you'll learn everything you need to know to make the most out of your Android device. Let's get started. 1. Uninstall apps you no longer use. Go to your device's settings and look for the Apps or Application Manager option. From there, you can see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Uninstall any apps that you no longer use or that you suspect may be causing performance issues. 2. Clear app cache and data. Clearing an app's cache can help to free up memory and improve performance. Go to your device's settings and look for the Apps or Application Manager option. From there, find the app you want to clear the cache for and select it. Look for the Clear Cache and Clear Data options and tap them. 3. Disable or uninstall any unnecessary system apps. Some Android devices come with pre-installed apps that you may not need. These apps can consume memory and battery power, even if you don't use them. To disable them, go to your device's settings, look for the Apps or Application Manager option. From there, find the app you want to disable, tap it, and look for the Disable button. 4. Use a battery-saving app. Many apps are available on Google Play Store that can help you optimize your device's battery life, such as Greenify and Battery Doctor. 5. Reduce animations and transition effects. Animations and transition effects can consume memory and battery power. To reduce them, go to your device's settings and look for the Developer options or System option. From there, look for the Windows Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale options and reduce them to their lowest setting. 6. Update your device's software. Make sure your device is running the latest version of Android. New updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features that can help to optimize your device. 7. Optimize your brightness and auto-adjustment settings. Adjusting your screen's brightness can significantly affect your battery life. Go to your device's settings, look for the Display option. From there, look for Brightness and select Auto Adjust and make sure that the Auto Brightness toggle is on. 8. Keep an eye on your running apps. Close any apps that you're not using. Some apps continue to run in the background even if you're not using them, consuming memory and battery power. You can use a Task Manager app to help you keep track of running apps and close them when they're not needed.